Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about some triangle problems. It's from the 5th grade mathematics. First, I want to talk a little bit about angle sum of a triangle. So suppose if you see a triangle like this, ABC, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This is true for any triangle. So the three interior angles add up to be 180. Let's see an application of this. This is about a theorem. It's called exterior angle theorem. So suppose in this triangle here, we label each interior angle as angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And this is a straight line here. And this angle, this obtuse angle here, we call that angle 4. This is also called the exterior angle of a triangle because it's outside of a triangle. And those 1, 2, 3 are interior angles. We know that angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 add up to be 180. That's coming from the previous slides. We also know that angle 4 and angle 3 add up to be 180 because here is a straight line down here. And from those two, we will know that angle 4 is the same as angle 1 plus angle 2. Because for both sides, if you add angle 3 to that, they both equal to 180 degrees. So this is called the exterior angle theorem. In other words, the exterior angle, angle 4 here, is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So the sum of two interior angles. Which two? Not the one that is close to your exterior angle, but the two that are very far away from your exterior angle. So that's angle 1 and angle 2. So this is how this theorem is coming from. Let's see an example. So here you can see a triangle ABC, and DBC is a straight line. And we want to find the measure of the angle ABD. So this is the exterior angle of this triangle. So from the previous slides, we know that it equal to the sum of two angles. Which two angles? Those two. This one and this one. Those two remote interior angles. So first, angle ABD is the sum of two angles. Angle BAC plus angle ACB. That's a previous slide theorem. And it will be 65 degrees plus 58 degrees, which is 123 degrees. Next, I want to talk a little bit about isosceles triangles. Let's first look at this triangle on the left. So if for a triangle, two sides are the same, so for example, AB and AC are the same, we call this isosceles triangle. You can see this triangle is pretty symmetric. If we draw a line, a brown line like this, through A, we can see that on the left side and on the right side, they are mirror image of each other. In other words, if you fold along this brown line, the left part and the right part, imagine you fold along this line, the left part and right part will overlap each other. They will exactly the same. So this is what isosceles triangles are like. Also, in isosceles triangle, we know that angle B and angle C are the same because you know that they are mirror image of each other. So they should be the same. sometimes you will see isosceles triangle like the one shown on the right. So in this one, AB is equal to CB. So it's like a different direction from the first one. And you can draw the brown line like this. Again, this brown line will give you the symmetric axis, or say the line you can fold so that left side and right side will overlap each other. So from here, you know that angle A equal to angle C. So it's a different scenario. If you don't like to draw the symmetric axis, you can also use the angle that opposite your sides to see which two angles are the same. So suppose here BC, which angle is opposite from BC? It's angle A. Similarly, for AB, you want to find the angle that opposite this side is angle C. So that's how you get angle A equal to angle C. Let's see an example. In this rhombus, find B. What is rhombus? In rhombus, you know that all the sides are the same. So in other words, this side, that side, and here are the same. Let's focus on the right part here. So that means this side and that side are equal. And you immediately know in this triangle here, it's isosceles triangle. And from there, you can know two angles are the same. Which two? You want to find the angles that opposite your sides, your equal sides. Okay, so it should be this angle and that angle. And you know this angle here is 65. And immediately you know the other angle should be 65 degrees too. So in this triangle, you already know those two angles. You can calculate B immediately. Let's do that. Angle B is 180 degrees minus 65 minus another 65. So we want to group those two 65 degrees together. So that's 130. 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. Now let's look at the equilateral triangles. In this triangle, all three sides are the same, and all the three angles are the same. And wait, you know that those three angles add up to be 180. So each one of them should be 180 divided by 3, which is 60 degrees. Let's see an example. So here we know that ABC is a straight line, and we want to find angle F. And in this triangle, DBC, three sides are the same. So from there, we know that this triangle is equilateral triangle. And we will know each interior angle is 60 degrees. From there, we can calculate this angle F. So angle F will be the summation of angle BDC and angle DCB. This is the exterior angle theorem. And we also know though that those two angles are 60 degrees because this triangle is equilateral triangle. So 60 plus 60, which is 120 degrees. Now let's look at the right triangle. So in this triangle down here, ABC, angle C is 90 degrees. It's a right angle. We will call such kind of triangle the right triangle because it has a right angle here. We'll use this red symbol to represent the right angle. You can imagine you put a little red square at this corner, and because this angle here, angle C is 90 degrees, so there will be no gap between your triangle and your square. We know that angle A plus angle B is 180 degree minus angle C. And angle C is 90, so angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. So that's a property of right triangle. It has one angle, that's 90. Also, the summation of the other two angles are also 90. Let's see an example. So in this triangle, as the label shown here, it's a right triangle. Angle A is 20 degree. We want to find angle B. So because this is a right triangle, we know that angle A and angle B, its summation will be 90 degree. So angle B will be 90 degree minus angle A, which is 90 minus 20, that's 70 degree. That's all I want to say here, and hopefully that's helpful. Thank you.